Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Exodus. First, open your Exodus wallet application on your device. Navigate to the Exchange tab, which is usually represented by two arrows. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you wish to exchange for Tether, also known as USD. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your chosen cryptocurrency to cover the exchange and any associated network fees. Before you can exchange for USD, your Exodus wallet needs to be funded. If you don't already have cryptocurrency in your wallet, you'll need to deposit some. Common choices include Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can acquire these from a centralized exchange and then send them to your Exodus wallet's receiving address. Always double-check the address to prevent any loss of funds. Once your wallet is funded, return to the exchange section. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap from, and then select USD as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Enter the amount you wish to exchange. The system will display the current exchange rate and any network fees. Carefully review these details before confirming the transaction. The exchange typically processes within minutes. When buying USD, always be mindful of market volatility and current exchange rates. Network fees can vary, so it's wise to check these before confirming any transaction to ensure you get the best value. Keep your Exodus wallet software updated for optimal security and performance. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.